Hello, my name is Lady Joana Sierra Valero, student the course English B1, group 622. Today I want to share my tour package to Leyva, Boyacá, so you can enjoy that wonderful place. Villa de Leyva is ideal to meet history, science, art, culture, and nature. It is located 40 kilometers west of Tunja, capital of the department of Boyacá. So it is very easy to get very by land and also from Bogotá. It's a place that still preserves the original architecture of the colonial past. Without a doubt, it is one of the most beautiful places in Colombia, due to its historical importance and its magnificent square. The trip will last approximately 3 days and 2 nights. Day 1. If what you want is to get to know the place, you have to take a tour of the main square, which has an incomparable colonial beauty with a stone floor and with facades. In the same way around it, you shall visit the Museum of Prehistory with sculptures of dinosaurs and fossils. In addition, the Paleontological Museum, which houses fossils from the Cretaceous period, as well as the Antonio Nariño House Museum, a tribute to history. At night, you can appreciate a good panoramic view, taking a walk to the Mirador del Santo, where you will contemplate Villa de Leyva from above. Day 2. You must visit the Casa Terracota, which was built by the architect Octavio Mendoza with a mission of 500 square meters and a weight of 400 tons. You can rent some bikes and meet around the house. It is located 5 minutes from Villa de Leyva. You should also visit the Parque Aventura Park, extreme and romantic adventure, because there you can enjoy nature. The best plan is to stay in a glamping or rest in a dome with a jacuzzi. Finally, day 3, the ideal for this last day is to visit the blue wells with their turquoise color in the middle of the desert. They are an unmissable natural spectacle. They are located on private property, but their entrance costs only 10,000 cups. If you want to get close to the magic of contemplating the contrast of colors and contact with nature. Means of transportations. If you want extreme fun, you should take a buggy or ATV ride. Into the trip, there can be done by car, bus, taxi, bicycle, motorcycle. Climate. The climate is environment and temperature. The temperature generally varies from 10 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius. The typical foods to the local restaurant, where you can eat changua, eggs with arepa, paipa cheese, piquete or fritanga, temple baked, lamb and other dishes. You can enjoy various activities such as ecotourism to the natural landscapes, shows as the Languan Iguaque, climb the Mirador Santo of the Cueva La Romera, ideal for practicing extreme sports, shows as climbing and rappelling. The cost of the tourist package is 700 Colombian pesos. Thank you very much.